You guys ready for this? Oh my gosh, this roof is garbage. They're nice. Watch one sting me. Look it closely. See all the larvae in there? Wow. Just look at that. Beauty. All right, guys. So we have two beehives here. We need the boom lift, obviously, because of the pitch of the roof. We got one right there at the very top. Right there. So we're gonna have to reach up with a boom lift to that corner and pull that tile in order to get the hive out. So, all right, guys. This is why I hate putting on the suit, because it takes forever. Hell no. I just realized there's another one over here. Oh my God. Bees are coming out. I drilled the hole and they're coming out. See that? They're not mean at all. They're nice. Watch one sting me. So I might actually be wrong about the bees being in here, but I hope I'm right. And what do you know? I'm right. And that does not look like a good hive, actually. It looks like a struggling hive. Okay, so I pulled out some of the comb, and it looks like it's mostly an abandoned hive, guys. See, it's very dry, empty, no sign of larva, just some honey. There's a little bit of brood right there, but that's about it. But again, I might be wrong. There might be stuff I'm missing, so we'll double check, clean this all out. Okay, guys, other side. You guys ready for this? Oh my gosh, this roof is garbage. Wow, look at that. Shoo! Shit, my bad. There we go, small piece. Look it closely. See all the larvae in there? A little bit of honey. There's definitely brood and eggs in here. I don't know if you can catch it on the camera, but a little bundle of joy right there. You gotta do what you gotta do. OSHA's afraid of me. There's a lot more honeycomb in here. I just gotta squeeze it out. Bzz, bzz. Guys, hear him. Let's throw in the box. If you could give me the box. Oh. It's so freaking helpful, dude. Trying to get him to sit into the box. Alright guys, now I gotta put some caulk on there. Oh, we're so bad, dude. Harnesses are for wussies. We're up again. We did that one. Apparently those were just bees getting lost. But anyways, here we have the second hive. Here it goes. Wow. Just look at that. We definitely got work in here, guys. Yeah. Beauty. Bootyful. Ooh, bees are coming and going. Gotta patch up this roof because this boom lift is a rental. We don't have it for long. So now we're gonna patch it up. Time to go home finally. We'll park this on the street and we're all set to go.